Title: Darwin's Theory in 180 Seconds. I'm going to sprint through how one idea reshaped biology, and honestly, how you and I think about life. 1831, a 22-year-old Charles Darwin hops on the HMS Beagle. Not a genius yet, just curious, collecting weird beetles, seashells, notes. Galapagos Islands. Tortoises with different shells on different islands. Finches with different beaks. Same family. Different specialties. A question lands. What if species aren't fixed? Back home, 1836-1844, Darwin reads. He thinks. He experiments with pigeons. He sketches a dangerous thought. Evolution happens by natural selection. But he sits on it. Why? Because it challenged the era's worldview. The idea in a sentence. More organisms are born than can survive. Individuals vary. Some variations help you survive and reproduce in your environment. Those helpful traits get passed on. Given enough time, populations change. That's natural selection, Erdio. 1858. A letter arrives from Alfred Russel Wallace with the same idea. Panic, collaboration, they present together. 1859. On the Origin of Species is published. It's clear, relentless, full of evidence from breeding. Evidence from fossils. Evidence from biogeography. It doesn't claim humans came from monkeys. It argues all life shares ancestors, branching like a tree. Pushback is loud, but evidence grows louder. Mendel's peas, rediscovered around 1900. Montebrauli's Explain Inheritance. The modern synthesis in the 1930s-40s fuses Darwin's selection with genetics. Evolution is changes in gene frequencies over time. 1953, DNA structure is solved. Now we can read evolution in the code. Since then, the receipts keep coming. Fossils show transitions. Fish to tetrapods, dinosaurs to birds, land mammals to whales. Comparative anatomy and embryos reveal shared blueprints. Biogeography explains why marsupials thrive in Australia. DNA clocks map the family tree and match the fossils. Real-time evolution. Bacteria evolve antibiotic resistance. Insects beat pesticides. Viruses adapt to hosts. Common myths? Just a theory. In science, a theory is a well-tested explanation. Random means meaningless. Mutations are random. Selection is not. Nature filters. Evolution explains the origin of life. It explains how life changes, not how life first began. Why it matters now. It guides medicine. How to slow resistance and design vaccines. It drives agriculture, breeding crops for climate stress. It informs conservation, protecting genetic diversity so species can adapt. And it reframes us. I'm not separate from nature, I'm part of a 4 billion year story, carrying ancient solutions in my cells. Darwin gave us a lens. Look for variation, selection, and time. Variation, selection, time. When I do, the world snaps into focus, from a finch's beak to your immune system. So next time you see a pigeon or a pine cone, ask, what challenge shaped that?